Greenwin Shark Series, CNC insert and tool holders for Swiss-type leathers. Insert features a high wear-resistant coating for low cutting resistance and smooth machining. The holder model. The tool holders make of SKD leather material with post-heat treatment machine, offering excellent rigidity. Designed with 3D positioning grooves for precision fit and secure clamping. It is suitable for general-purpose machining of steel and stainless steel workpieces. High efficiency, Greenwin and Cowie. If you need any CNC inserts and tool holders, please contact us. Thank you.